Okay, so the first lesson for Calculus 3 is the first definition. We have the definition of a sequence function. So by definition, a sequence is a function whose domain is the set 1, 2, 3 to n of all positive integers. Then, we have here our remarks. The numbers in a range of a sequence functions are called elements. A sequence consists of the elements of a sequence function listed in order. So suppose we have here an illustration. Let f be the function defined by f of n is equal to n over 2n plus 1, where n is an element of positive integers. Then, suppose we determine f of n where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have, so suppose n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have f of n or f of 1 is equal to 1 over 2 times 1 plus 1. So that is 1 over 3. Then we have f of 2. So that is 1 over, 2 over 2 times 2 plus 1. Then that is 2 over 5. Then we have f of 3. That is 3 over 2 times 3 plus 1. So that is 3 over 7. Then f of 4. 4 over 2 times 4 plus 1. We have 4 over 9. And then f of 5. 5 over 2 times 5 plus 1. So we have 5 over 11. Now, then, the elements of the sequence function defined by f are. Kung sa may mga sequence function, di ba kaingo man niya, the numbers in the range of a sequence functions are called elements. So the elements are, so we have 1/3, 2/5, 3 over 7, 4 over 9, 5 over 11, and so on, di ba? Up to n over 2n plus 1. Pwede pa gadyon sa kana pa may mas greater nito. And the ordered pairs in the sequence function f are. So what is the kuan? What is the ordered pair? So 1 and 1/3. Sunod 2 and 2/5. Then 3 and 3 over 7. Then we have 4 and 4 over 9. And then 5 over 9. Then, sunod, what will happen? N. Sunod, n over 2n plus 1. Mana siya. So the elements and the ordered pairs of the function f of n is equal to n over 2n plus 1. So suppose we have here a piecewise function, piecewise sequence, f of n is equal to 1 if n is odd, then 2 over n plus 2 if n is even. So suppose we determine where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have f of 1, is 1. Then f of 2, 2 over 2 plus 2, so that is 1 half. Then f of 3 is 1. Then f of 4, okay. We have 2 over 4 plus 2. So that is 6. So that is 1/3. Then f of 5, 1. So based from this, we can get the elements of the sequence function defined by f. So these are the elements. What are the elements? We have 1, 1 half, 1, 1/3, 1, then dot, kanang 2 over n plus 2, then na may 1. Or pwede na po. Sige, tawag ko ano para sure. 1, and then 2 over n plus 2. Then, balik-balik na siya kay lalahi man siya og kuan. Lalay man siya later on sa ordered pairs. Kay kani siya 1 represent man sa f of 3, kani nga 1 represent sa f of 1. Then the ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs? 1, 1, 2 and 1 half, 3, 1, 4 and 1/3, 5 and 1, then sunod. Kung 1 man si Jano, so we have n, 1, 4, 4, n is odd. Then ang usa, n, we have 2 over n plus 2, 4, n is even. Then,
okay, good afternoon, everyone. We have here a given sequence function. F of n is equal to n plus 1 over 2n minus 1. And we are tasked to list the first 5 elements of the sequence function defined by f and the ordered pairs in the sequence of the function f. And so, first thing to do is we are going to suppose that we determine f of n be the function f of n is equal to n plus 1 over 2n minus 1, where n is in the element is in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because we are tasked to list the first 5 elements. Okay, so we have f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 times 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. Or 2 over 1 or 2. Then f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 times 2 minus 1 and equal to 1. And f of 3, 3 plus 1 over 2 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 4 over 5. Then f of 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 over 2 times 4 minus 1 is equal to 5 over 7. And f of 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 over 2 times 5 minus 1 or equal to 2/3.
So then the elements of the sequence function defined by f are 2, 1, 4 over 5, 5 over 7, 2 over 3, up to n plus 1 over all over 2n minus 1. And the ordered pairs in the sequence function of f are 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 3 and 4 over 5, 4 and 5 over 7, 5 and 2 over 3, up to the ordered pair n and n plus 1 all over 2n minus 1. That's all. Thank you.
We determine f of n by the function 2n squared plus 1 over 3n squared minus n, where n is equal to real numbers. So for for n is equal to 1, we have f of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 squared plus 1 over 3 times 1 squared minus 1. So what we did here is we just substitute the value of n, which is 1. So the result of that is 3 over 2. Same thing we did to n is equal to 2. We substitute the value. We have 2 times 2 squared plus 1 over 3 times 2 squared minus 2. We get the answer of 9 over 10. Same for f of 3. We have 2 multiplied by 3 squared plus 1 over 3 times 3 squared minus 3. We have 19 over 24. For the f of 4, we have 2 times 4 squared plus 1 over 3 times 4 squared minus 4. We have 33 over 44. Since this is divisible by 11, we reduce it to its lowest term, which is 3 over 4. And we have f of 5 is equal to 2 times 5 squared plus 1 over 3 times 5 minus 5. We get the answer of 51 over 70.
Then the elements of this sequence function defined by f are 3 halves, 9 over 10, 19 over 24, 3 fourths, 51 over 70, then that 2n squared plus 1 all over 3 times n squared minus n. Then the ordered pairs of the sequence functions defined by f are 1 and 3 halves, 2 and 9 over 10, 3 and 19 over 24, 4 and 3 fourths, 5 and 51 over 70, then n, 2n and 2n squared plus 1 over 3n squared minus n.
So let f be the function of f of n is equal to 3 minus 2n squared over n squared minus 1. So suppose we determine the function f of n where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we didn't start on 1 since if we substitute the value of 1 in this equation of the function, it will become undefined since the denominator will become 0. So we have f of 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 2 squared over 2 squared minus 1. Simplifying this equation, we get negative 5 over 3. Then we have f of 3 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 3 squared over 3 squared minus 1. Simplifying again this equation, we have negative 15 over 8. And then f of 4 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 4 squared over 4 squared minus 1. Simplifying this equation, we get negative 29 over 15. And then f of 5 equals 3 minus 2 times 5 squared over 5 squared equals minus 1, we will get negative 47 over 24. And then lastly, f of 6 is equal to 3 minus 3 minus 2 times 6 squared over 6 squared minus 1, we will get negative 69 over 35.
So then the elements of the sequence function defined by f are negative 5 over 3, negative 15 over 8, negative 29 over 15, negative 47 over 24, negative 69 over 35, up until 3 minus 2 times n squared all over n squared minus 1. And then the ordered pairs are 2, negative 5 thirds, 3, negative 15 over 8, 4, negative 29 over 15, 5, negative 47 over 24, 6, negative 69 over 35, up until n, 3, negative 2 times n squared all over n squared minus 1. Those are all. Thank you.
Okay, so for group 4, we are given the function f of n is equal to 1/2 raised to the power of 1 over n. So suppose f of n is equal to 1/2 raised to the power of 1 over n, where n is an element of the first 5 positive integers. So we have f of 1, so we substitute the value of 1. So we have 1/2 raised to the power of 1 over 1. So it is equal to 1/2. So for f of 2, it is equals 1/2 raised to the power of 1/2. It is equal to square root of 2 over 2. And so for f of 3 is equal to 1/2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. So it is equal to cube root of 4 over 2.
And for f of 4 is equal to 1/2 raised to the power of 1/4, which is equal to the 4th root of 8 over 2. As for f of 5 is equal to 1/2 raised to the power of 1/5, which is equal to the 5th root of 16 over 2. Then the elements of the sequence function defined by f are 1/2 square root of 2 over 2, cube root of 4 over 2, 4th root of 8 over 2, and 5th root of 16 over 2, up to 1/2 raised to the power of 1 over n. And the ordered pairs in the sequence function f are 1, 1/2, 2, square root of 2 over 2, 3, cube root of 4 over 2, 4, 4th root of 8 over 2, and 5, 5th root, di pa yan. 5, 5th root of 16 over 2, up to, and 1/2 raised to the power of 1 over n. Sabi natin? Naman to.
Can you provide the decimal equivalence of what?
Ay,
And for
kana sir?
calculate,
Ay, bitaw. Ay, sa. Daban.
muga na ni sir.
Ito na 0 po.
0.7. Ay, whiteboard.
0.5.
Oh,
0.5. Parang square root of 2 over 2.
square root of 2 over 2.
Decimal places.
Murag 0.7 maning number 1.
0.70.
Ang kini?
1. 0.71.
Ang kining 1 no?
Di, kini.
Ang kini?
0.71. 71.
Sunod.
Tig-esa.
Cube root of 4 over 2.
Esa, pin.
Kini na laman, girl.
Ay, man.
Kini naman i-type pa para di ka maglisod. Ako, be. Gunti ah.
Sige. Sige, go.
0.79. 0.79.
0.7. Oh, 80.
0.84.
84?
Ah.
Eighty-four.
0.87.
0.84.
Okay, that's correct.
There's
Parang
a-
i-verify ko kung naggamit ang square root of 4.
Ay, okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 5. 5 ba? Sige na.
So, our assigned function is f of n is equal to the hyperbolic sine of n, which we are tasked to list the first 5 elements of the sequence function defined by f and the ordered pairs in the sequence function f. So, our first 5 elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to determine its value, to determine the value of the function by its 5 elements, f of 1 is equal to the hyperbolic sine of 1 is equal to 1.18. And f of 2 is equal to the hyperbolic sine of 2 is equal to 3.63. And the f of 3 is equal to the hyperbolic sine of 3 is equal to 10.02. And f of 4 is equal to the hyperbolic sine of 4 is equal to 27.29. And f of 5 is equal to hyperbolic sine of 5 is equal to 74.20.
Then the elements of the sequence function defined by f are 1.18, 3.63, 10.02, 27.29, 74.20, up until the hyperbolic sine of n. And the ordered pairs in the sequence function f are 1.18, 2, 3.63, 3, 10.02, 4, 27.29, 5, 74.20, up until n to hyperbolic sine of n. That should be all. Thank you.